Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to change the oil and filter on a 1999 Toyota Camry LE, but the procedure applies equally to other Toyota Camry models from that era, second generation Toyota Camrys. 4 or 6 cylinders. This is for a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder car. If you have rams, you can get these rams from in the US from many auto parts stores such as AutoZone or Advance Auto and others. If you have jack and jack stands, of course, you can use those, but you'll need a 14 millimeter socket. You'll find the oil pan on the passenger side. There are 2 pans there, of course. One of them is the transmission oil pan. The one on the passenger side is the oil pan. Gloves would be nice. You'll need to drive the car for 3-5 minutes. Just bring it to temperature. The warm oil flows faster and better out. And with gloves, you'll eliminate the chances of getting burned by the hot oil. So be ready to catch the bolt should have a washer. Make sure that you recover the washer too, and just remove your hand straight down a little towards the front of the car, out of the way of the oil draining out, and let it just drain until it trickles one every few seconds. But to make it drain even faster, you can then go to the engine bay and remove the oil filter. Use some shop towels to cover the area right underneath it, because as you remove the filter, some oil may drip out, and depending on how it was tightened before, you may need an oil filter wrench. You can get that too from Harbor Freight or Amazon or any other parts stores, but carefully remove it and make sure that the gasket also comes out, and then clean the area. So I'm using for this job 5W30 full synthetic oil and this PH4967 Fram oil filter. It says it's good for 10,000 miles, but just rub some oil on the gasket, and then tighten it by hand. And as you feel the gasket, as you feel that it's hand tightened, then you can use the wrench, and according to the Toyota shop manual, you want to tighten it 3/4 of a turn. I have the shop instructions in the very beginning of the video. And then wait until all of the oil is drained. Replace the washer every couple of oil changes or every 3 oil changes. And then use a torque wrench to tighten it to 27 foot-pounds. For the 5S FE engine, if you have the 1MZ FE engine, then then the torque value is 33 foot-pounds, or 45 Newton meters. And then just clean up the area with shop towels. And you can see which type of oil to use right here on the cap. It says 5W30. Remove the cap and use a funnel and some shop towels if you don't have a steady hands to make sure no oil spills out. Fill it up to so with if you replace both the oil and filter, then for the 5S FE model, you'll need to add 3.6 liters if you replace both the oil and filter. If you are foregoing the filter, then just 3.4 liters would be sufficient. And of course, you'll need to check with the dipstick. You wanna for the 5S FE, so because it's 3.6 liters for both oil and filter, you want to add about anywhere from 3 to 3.5 liters, and then check afterwards. I'm adding just 3, a little over 3, and then checking afterwards. But if you have the 1MZ model, then that will need 4.7 liters if you replace both oil and the filter. If without the filter, only 4.5 liters. So you want to once you add about anywhere from 3 to 3.5 liters, then you want to lower the car and run the car for a few minutes, and then stop the engine and just wait 3 to 5 minutes so that the oil settles down in the pan, and then start checking with the dipstick. On the dipstick there are 2 marks. I think one says L for low and then F for full. So you want it to be between the 2, but just shy of full. Should be good. So keep checking until you have filled it to the required level, just shy of full, and you're done. Replace the cap, check for leaks, and that's it. So I hope you find this video of use, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.